Hi guys, today I have a question from Johanna. Johanna, this one is for you, I hope you like it. And Johanna actually asked me about some tips to get her back on track after her vacation. Now she was feeling heavy in her body, she had gained some weight and her economy felt like it's never been worse. I think that a lot of us can recognize this, that what Johanna is talking about. Me, myself, and I actually gained like 4 kilos in this like 1.5 month that I've had of summer. And so I am going to be using my own advice. And for me, it's about my body. I need to stop eating all these beautiful dishes that I've been eating, which is brilliant and it's great. And I've been doing this on my vacation, both here at home and abroad, allowing myself to just indulge and enjoy, which is great. But I did not get that much balance. The same thing with what I'm drinking with the food. When it's summer, it's hot outside, it's really nice to have a glass of wine. Much nicer than when it's winter. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing the detox of my body. The same with movement. I haven't been going to the gym. I haven't been moving as I normally do. So when it comes to my body, I feel heavy. I can feel it like in my inside, really. And of course I can see it on my pants that some of them can't get on. Oh well. It doesn't have to be your body. It can be only your economy. It can be your home. To clean out, to sell stuff will help your economy as well. That's what I'm going to be talking about today. So don't miss these 3 tips. But first, welcome to Mindset Mastery Living. I'm Margrét Atladóttir and I'm a mindset expert that helps women take control of their lives. My tip number 1 is to make a decision. Now, when you've made a decision, before you make a decision actually, in the process of making a decision, I would like you to close your eyes or write down whatever fits you, where you will be if you're going to continue. Okay? The same way as you've been doing now this vacation. Why do you need a detox? Where will you be in a few months if you just continue? Just don't get that balance. You don't do the detox. You don't do the change. Where will you be? If you like that picture, guess not. So, you don't like the picture. Good. Make a decision. Now, if you are constantly debating with yourself about, okay, let's take the economy, for example. If you're constantly debating yourself if you're going to take the bike or if you're going to take the car, you haven't made a decision. You made a decision maybe like 98%, maybe 99.8%, but not 100%. If it's about your body, if you're debating with yourself, should I put something in that I know I don't feel good with, you haven't made 100% decision. And you need to make 100% decision. If you're constantly having this debate, it's not 100% decision. Now, if you made 100% decision, that cookie or that shit food that you're eating or whatever, or that card, that option or alternative does not exist. Then you know you made a decision. My tip number 2 is break the pattern. Now, you need to look at where in your life you need detox. Is it your body? Is it your economy? Is it your home? Is it your friends? Is it your phone? Where in your life do you need to do a cleanup? And when you've seen this and you made a decision of where you're going to clean up, be specific. Write it down. What do you need to do? You got an area of your life, or two, or three, or all of them. And then you decide, you look at what do you need to do. Okay? So be specific, write it down, know what you're doing to be able to break the patterns. Good luck. My tip number 3 is to create motivation. Now you need to start creating. Create your life. And even if things feel like they're impossible, you feel like so heavy inside and you're just like surviving and it's like one day at a time, I'll just eat that, or I'll just take the car today, or, I don't care, I am dining out. When all that comes, you need to start over. Okay? Even though you have to start over and over and over again. Do not stop starting over. When you do this, when you start over, you start cleaning up the things that need to be cleaned up, and you do even just a little bit, you feel a little bit lighter. And when you feel a little bit lighter, you feel like you made progress. Now, progress, and that feeling of progress, that brings motivation. That's all for me today. Thank you so much for watching and listening, guys. If you like my Wednesday videos, I hope you've subscribed to my channel. If you send me a message on Insta or Facebook, you can request a subject or a topic that I can give you 3 tips on. And I will. Or a free coaching session. It is August. A lot of stuff are happening. I am working with my courses. I have a theater course with personal development in focus. Guys, this is like the perfect course if you want rapid results. Because not just you don't just work with your brain, with the NLP, you activate all your nervous system. It's just really, really cool, and it's really, really rapid results. I also have exciting news. I got a flirt course coming your way. So guys, I wish you a beautiful day. Thanks again for watching. Remember, you got this.